Through action learning, trainees address real problems, like how to improve customer service or lead a multi-generational workforce. Working in teams, they talk about a shared problem, while the trainer, who usually acts more like a facilitator, observes. They are encouraged to ask questions and listen to what other people have to say. The goal is for everyone to understand the problem and its true causes and consequences. Through this discovery process, trainees clarify the problem and continue to empathize with others' perspectives. The team then creates an action plan for how to deal with the problem. Once the learning event ends, they are expected to implement that action plan and report back when the team meets again. Team members who don't do their part will be held accountable, and the group as a whole will be held accountable for not addressing the problem. Individual members and the entire team will be held accountable for making sure that that plan is implemented correctly and that the expected outcomes are achieved. The principles of Six Sigma and Kaizen are related to the principles of action learning. Six Sigma training seeks to minimize errors and mistakes through action learning. Kaizen training aims to continuously improve performance by teaching employees how to teach others and participate in the feedback system. Because action learning requires observation, interaction, practice, and feedback, transfer and effectiveness tend to be high. Action learning has the added benefits of being extremely meaningful to the job by solving a real job-related problem, and highly engaging. It's hard not to participate in action learning. Finally, this method is beneficial for teaching leadership skills like conflict resolution, coaching, and facilitation skills. Unfortunately, sometimes too much attention can distract from the learning process. Plus, trainees with existing teamwork skills tend to learn more than those who are new to the team or to working with other people. All three of these group building methods can be used for different outcomes and for the same group. Adventure learning, for example, is great for onboarding, team training for getting down to business, and action learning for continuous and strategic improvement.